Ever found yourself tossing and turning in an unfamiliar hotel bed, dreaming of the comfy sleep you get at home? Hey there, this is Ryan Brooks, your laid-back guide to making travel as easygoing as a Sunday morning. Welcome to the Lazy Traveler's Guide. Today, we're tackling a common travel woe: how to sleep better while you're on the road. Let's dive into some no-sweat tips to help you snooze soundly wherever your travels take you. First up, let's talk gear. Ever tried a travel pillow but found it more of a neck pain than a neck saver? Look for one that's memory foam based and has an adjustable strap to keep it snug. This little upgrade can be a game changer on long flights or train rides. Next, consider packing a lightweight sleep mask and a pair of earplugs. They're tiny, but they pack a big punch when it comes to blocking out unwanted light and noise. Another simple but often overlooked tip: stick to your bedtime routine as much as possible. If you usually read a book or listen to music before bed at home, do the same while traveling. It sends a signal to your brain that it's time to wind down. And speaking of winding down, there are some handy apps out there designed to help you relax and drift off, like Calm or Headspace. These apps offer sleep stories and guided meditations that are perfect for soothing travel nerves and easing you into slumber. Now, let's not forget about the power of a good environment. If the hotel room is too hot or too cold, don't hesitate to adjust the thermostat to your liking. And here's a little secret: a quick request for extra pillows or blankets can make your sleep setup just right. Lastly, if you're crossing time zones, try to adapt to the new schedule gradually. A little sunlight exposure during the day and avoiding heavy meals before bed can help your body clock adjust more smoothly. To wrap it up, here are your top takeaways. Invest in comfort-first travel gear, stick to your bedtime routine, and tweak your sleep environment to suit your needs. Next time you hit the road, try one of these tips and see how it transforms your travel sleep experience. If you enjoyed these lazy-friendly tips, be sure to subscribe for more no-fuss travel wisdom right here on the Lazy Traveler's Guide. Until next time, may your travels be smooth and your sleep be sweet.